Say daddy. Say grandma. Say grandpa. Say sissy. Say Michael. Say Coco. Say Crystal. Say Reina. What else am I missing? Say Joseph. That's not how you say it. Say baby. Say Clipper. Say Clifford. Ugh.
Barney.
Say Barney. Say Barney. Ooh. Say Mama. Say Daddy. Does that mean she's done?
That's what she was doing all that noise right there.
Say Coco. Really? Say Oso. Say Barney. Alright, goodbye. You're done. Say bye. Bye.
She would be done as soon as I make her something to eat.
Bye. Say baby.